What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna be discussing about the money .com. Is it legitimate or is it scam? So we're gonna go through a website that is named as Scam Advisor. It is one of the famous website that is used to uh like total survey it and see that if it hits all the checkpoints and is it a legitimate or scam? Is it some sort of uh scammy thing or catchy thing that you should avoid. So let's dive right into the video. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So what we found out is that the positive highlights is there is a trust mark on this website. According to the SSL, check the certificate is valid. DNS filter considered this website safe. What are the negative highlights? Because we have much more negative highlights than the positive highlights. So if we go through the negative highlights, you gonna see is the website's owner is hiding his identity on who is using a paid service. The website does not have many visitors. The website is being iframed by another website. The website has only been registered recently, and IPQS has flagged this website as suspicious. So, there are some chances that this website could be scammy or some sort of illegal thing that could lead to a scam or your money loss. So if you're gonna use this website, make sure that you go through every single checkpoint, and I would recommend you guys to not invest in this because if it's not 100% surety, then you should avoid it. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.